Okay, right, well the instructions say it's got to be heated for 1 minute 20 seconds at 800 watts power. So we'll close the door, it's in the oven. And we set the time. Press enter first. Right. Time. 1 cycle. Uh, 120. Enter. Enter. It's a 1200 watt oven.
Yeah.
So what's that? That's
It's 800 watt or
yeah, 800 watt. That's 75% power.
no, I think it's 66.
66. Yeah, 66%. Enter. 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 That's okay. Enter. Right, now we turn the rotor on. Going around and press start. That's the power going in. There's the thermal imaging camera. And the pi is at 79 Celsius. Okay. Switch that off. There you are. There's the thermal imaging camera. And there's the pi. Lovely.